Have you ever wondered why some people effortlessly make lots of money while others struggle to make ends meet? It's a common question we ask ourselves as we manage our finances. What if I told you that simple money secrets have been intentionally kept from most people? It might sound strange, but if it weren't true, how do some people get rich so quickly? The answer lies in straightforward money rules that the wealthy know but don't often share. Warren Buffett is reportedly worth over $100 billion. He was a shy boy selling Coca-Cola door to door. Now he is one of the richest men in the world. Warren Buffett didn't inherit his fortune, nor did he make it through technological innovation. Warren Buffett amassed his wealth by following these money rules. In this video, we'll reveal those hidden money secrets according to Warren Buffett to help you become rich. 1. Find a mentor. According to Warren Buffett, having a mentor is a great financial move because it provides invaluable guidance and perspective that can accelerate one's path to success. Buffett himself credits his mentor, Benjamin Graham, for shaping his investment philosophy and teaching him the importance of value investing. A mentor offers practical knowledge that cannot be easily acquired through books or classes, helping to avoid common pitfalls and make more informed decisions. By learning from someone who has already navigated the complexities of the financial world, individuals can gain confidence, develop better strategies, and make sounder investments. Ultimately, a mentor's experience and wisdom can provide a shortcut to achieving financial goals, making it a highly beneficial relationship for anyone seeking to build wealth. 2. Invest in your education. Warren Buffett believes that investing in your education is one of the best financial moves you can make because it pays the greatest dividends over time. Buffett emphasizes that knowledge and skills are the most valuable assets you can acquire, as they cannot be taken away and continually enhance your earning potential. By investing in your education, whether through formal schooling, professional courses, or self-study, you equip yourself with the tools to make informed decisions, seize opportunities, and adapt to changes in the market. Buffett himself is a voracious reader and lifelong learner, attributing much of his success to the continuous expansion of his knowledge. He advocates for investing in yourself first, as the returns from this investment are often greater and more reliable than any financial investment. 3. Controlling your emotions. Warren Buffett believes that controlling your emotions is crucial for financial success because it leads to better decision-making and resilience. He emphasizes that fear and greed often drive the stock market, causing impulsive decisions based on short-term fluctuations. By staying calm and rational, investors can avoid panic selling during downturns and overbuying in overheated markets. Buffett's approach, known as rational investing, focuses on long-term value rather than reacting to market noise. This emotional discipline helps investors stick to their strategies and achieve consistent, sustainable growth, mirroring Buffett's own investment success. 4. Cash-gone traps. The sad reality is that many Americans struggle financially because they spend money they don't have on unnecessary subscriptions and expenses, seeking instant gratification. Monthly entertainment subscriptions like Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime, and others may seem affordable, but they often become cash traps. People finance multiple subscriptions, believing they're cheap, only to find they're underutilized and expensive in the long run. Using credit cards masks the immediate financial impact, leading to overspending. This cycle of spending on non-essentials hinders financial stability. It's crucial to distinguish between affording something and merely making monthly payments. By focusing on genuine affordability, you can free up money for building assets and achieving financial stability. 5. Don't save money in the bank. People often recommend saving money in a bank, your parents, the news, and the banks themselves. But is saving all your money really the best way to build wealth? Not necessarily. When you deposit money in a bank, you're helping the bank profit, not necessarily enriching yourself. Banks earn by lending your deposits at high rates while paying you little. It's smart to keep enough in the bank for emergencies and regular expenses, ideally, 3 to 6 months' worth if you're just starting. The rest should be invested in assets like real estate, stocks, or index funds to grow your wealth more effectively. 6. Move forward. The ultimate goal is not to live a small, constrained life but to expand your means and lifestyle. To achieve this, you need more money to invest in yourself and attract even more wealth. With a solid financial foundation, you can enjoy nicer things, like a better car or a larger home, without worrying about payments. Achieving wealth allows you to afford what you desire without financial stress. To reach this point, be prudent with your money, know when to spend, and when to invest. Focus on increasing your income and building wealth by investing in assets. Whether through working overtime, seeking a promotion, or starting a side hustle, increasing your income is key. Those with an entrepreneurial spirit can create value for others and improve their financial prospects. Avoid mindless spending and focus on understanding how money works, investing wisely, and increasing your income. This strategic approach will lead to financial prosperity and a more fulfilling life. 7. Avoid the glam. Many people think being rich means having money for flashy cars and gadgets, but real wealth is often invisible. True wealth isn't about visible possessions but the value of what you own over time. Some of the wealthiest people drive modest cars and live in modest homes, yet their bank accounts reveal significant wealth. Flashy items might look impressive but don't always indicate true wealth. The key to becoming rich is not just about spending on luxuries but focusing on saving and investing. While enjoying life is important, resist the urge to connect financial success with material possessions. Instead, focus on the freedom and power that money can provide. The less you need to be happy, the easier it is to grow your wealth. 8. The rule of time. If you ask a rich person, they'll tell you that time is the most important resource. Many people don't realize how crucial time is in becoming wealthy, which is why they remain financially average. Understanding time helps in managing money better. Here are 2 key ideas. First, trading time for money is challenging. If you earn hourly wages, it's hard to get rich unless you make a lot per hour. With only 24 hours in a day, earning a 6-figure income alone can be tough. Second, as we age and gain responsibilities, time becomes more limited. Rich people know this and don't rely solely on their time, they leverage others' time, money, and expertise. This is why many wealthy individuals are business owners. Understanding how to maximize your time and that of others is crucial to building wealth. If you found this video useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to not miss our future uploads. See you in the next video.